guys, maulan dito sa ano ngayon eh. Maulan sa Shanghai. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Muulang maumaga sa inyong lahat. Papunta kami ng lobby ng hotel kung saan kami nag-stay. Dito sa Kaya ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Maulan. I'm going to the lobby with my friend Marisa Sanchez. The beautiful Mary. Yan. Ito yung nila. Nilalakas. Good morning, Swadika. Hey, morning. Ay, ito na guys. Papunta na kami. Yan. So, medyo lang nilalakad namin. Pero ang ganda ng hallway nila, oh. Ito yung hallway ng papunta doon sa lobby. Ito na siya guys. Nakapasok na kami. This is it. And this is their, receptionist. Ayan. Ito, tingnan nyo. Ganda. This is very nice. Yan. Hotel is so nice. And oh, look. Area here. And this is it. We're going to the restaurant. We're eating breakfast. Thank you. Morning. This is it. Yan. Susundan natin si Madam Mary. Straight in here. Beautiful lady. So, we're here in the lobby center. Morning. Say hi.
Tapos, kanan ka.
Kanan. Thank you, sir. Kaliwa kanan. So, dito na kami. Restroom. Hindi, kanan na tayo. Dito tayo. Good morning, sir. Ha, Chod ka? Morning. The people are smiling at me. You know? Yan talagang buhay. Wow. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Ang dalang lugar. Ooh, tingnan mo. We're going to... Ayan, the place is so fast. There. And everybody. Good morning! Morning! Morning, attorney!
Kalaman mo kung ano yung hawak-hawak mo. Vlogger ka na pala, ha?
Morning.
Moras ka dumatay, Mary.
Yan po rin, pagkita ko sa Ate Sen. Yan. Dok.
Hello.
Morning, Dok. Hi po. Good morning. Hi, ma'am. Kain na kami. Morning. Good morning. Thank you, ma'am. We're going to... Yeah, we're eating breakfast. And we're here. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning.
Morning!
Morning.
Debbie!
Morning, ma'am. Morning, sir. Morning po. Hi po.
Nakulot naman ang buhok mo ngayon. Ano ba? Ha?
Say hi.
Papauwi ako.
Opo, kunti lang yung dala ko.
Ano mo ba kami?
Yes, ma'am. Nakakuha ko po. Kay boss. Kay boss. Ma'am Del, ma'am Cheryl. Morning po. Morning, ma'am. Say hi. Uy, wow. Good morning. Mag-wig-wig ka dito. Kita ka dito.
Ha?
Dahil nagtutulad ako eh. Zabi, say hi, may vlog eh. Say hi, Zabi.
Hi, I'm Himmy Chanda.
Yes, you're here. Thank you so much.
Kailangan mo
Hi, guys.
mag-iyak kasi yung kasama mo may camera eh, no?
Well, kakain muna kami. Bye-bye. See you in next trip. Bye.